Large and colorful pheasants, that's what they are. We're talking about peacocks, those omnivore birds known for their magnificent iridescent tails. In 1963, the Indian peacock was declared the national bird of its namesake country. As for their feathers, it is believed that they were originally born of the mythological Garuda. You might not know this, but peacock stands for males, whereas females of the species are known as peahens. Females are usually smaller and mostly brown and white, with emerald necks and the same fabulous head crest. Believe it or not, peacocks shed their feathers, but there's nothing to worry about as they do this after the mating season is over. Look at these breathtaking colors! No wonder peacock feathers have long been favored by royalty. Did you also know that these incredible birds can fly despite their abundant feathers? However, they can only travel short distances. Good news is that they live a long time, between 10 to 25 years in the wild and up to 50 years in captivity. Enjoy the rest of these iconic birds.